Welcome, City of Orange residents. The biggest small town in Orange County does it again. From the award-winning hospitals to the several international businesses to major universities and a community college, the City of Orange is a great place to live, work, and raise a family. The history of our city continues to be the foundation of our community. Special events throughout the year draws residents and visitors to Orange year after year. These events are sponsored by nonprofits, but because of the generous donations of our business community, they make the events happen. As the 2019 Chairman of the Board of the Chamber of Commerce, I am proud to announce one more reason that the City of Orange took a nostalgic look into the city's future. That was the theme of our 2019 May Parade. Thousands of people lined the street from Cleveland Street down around the plaza to South Almond. Over 83 entries were displayed, just as they were from 1933 to 1991. After a 28-year absence, the parade is back and we're excited. A special thanks goes to the City of Orange for allowing us to put this parade on, the business community that sponsored the parade, and all the volunteers that pulled it together to make it a success. We now have the Orange May Parade to welcome the summer and the Orange International Street Fair to say farewell to the summer. Next year, May 2nd, we are looking forward to seeing the next May Festival Parade. We'll see you there.